this, sa, these, sayo, that, salaba, those, salabayo, what's that? Kisa saye? That's a good book. Ça c'est un bon livre. I like those cars. Mwen machine salabayo. I like these cars. Mwen reme machine sayo. I like that car. Mwen reme machine salaba. I like this car. Mwen reme machine sa. This is my book. Ça c'est livre moyen. This is my dog. Ça c'est chien moyen. This computer is very old. Ordinateur ça très ancien. These books are very popular. Livre sa yo très populaire. I can't read these words. Mbakali mosayo. These people are very friendly. Moun sayo très amical. That car is my father's. Machine salaba se pa papam lan. That star is very far from the earth. Étoile sa très loin ak terre. Those two men seem to be late. De messieurs salabayo semble en retard. What's in this box? Kisa ki nan boîte sa? That water tastes strange. Dlo salaba gen yon goût étrange. Come and look at this. Vin gad sa. That's a very good idea. Ça c'est yon très bon idée. Can I have one of these? Mka gen yon nan sayo? Try to watch this video every morning and evening. Essayez gade vidéo ça chaque matin et chaque soir. What does this music make you think of? A ki sa musique sa fè ou penser? Can I have some of that juice, please? Mka gen ti gout nan jus salaba, s'il vous plaît? You can use any one of these computers. Ou ka itilize n'importe nan ordinateur sa yo. I need to paint those windows. Mwen bezwen pentire fenêtre salaba yo. Linda, this is my mother, Anne. Linda, sa se maman Anne. Is that your brother over there? Sa se frère la ki la ba? Shall I use this knife here? Shall I use this knife here? Mgen dwa itilize couteau sa? Mgen dwa itilize couteau sa? Is that what you mean? Is that what you mean? C'est ça vle di? C'est ça vle di? Whose bag is this? Whose bag is this? Pou ki moun bag sa? Pou ki moun bag sa? That one looks very nice. That one looks very nice. Ça paraît très belle. Ça paraît très belle. This is my mother. This is my mother. Ça c'est maman. Ça c'est maman. These are our children. These are our children. Sa yo se timoun nou yo. Sa yo se timoun nou yo. That is our house. That is our house. Sa là-bas se kay nou an. Sa là-bas se kay nou an. Those are my shoes. Those are my shoes. Sa là-bas yo se soulier myo. Sa là-bas yo se soulier myo. Did you do that? Did you do that? Ou te fè sa? Ou te fè sa? I'd like to buy these. I'd like to buy these. Mta reme achete sa yo. Mta reme achete sa yo. Which of those would you like? Which of those would you like? Kote sa vle nan sa là-bas yo. Kote sa vle nan sa là-bas yo. This party is boring. This party is boring. Party sa ennuyant. Party sa ennuyant. That city is busy. That city is busy. Ville sa occupé. Ville sa occupé. These chocolates are delicious. These chocolates are delicious. Chocolat sa yo délicieux. Chocolat sa yo délicieux. Those flowers are beautiful. Those flowers are beautiful. Fleurs sa la ba yo belle. Fleurs sa la ba yo belle. This book is old. This book is old. Livre sa ancien. Livre sa ancien. Did you like that? Did you like that? Ou te reme sa? Ou te reme sa? This is new. This is new. Sa fin paret. Sa nouveau. Sa fin paret. Sa nouveau. This is the end. This is the end. Sa se fin. This is the end. This is the end. Sa se fin. Sa se fin. This is the end. This is the end. Sa se fin. Sa se fin.